Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tellie. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys a few lipstick tips to help you up your lipstick game. Oh my gosh, I think I need a lipstick word counter. Also, stay till the end of the video for that lipstick shaping technique you didn't know you needed. If it's your first time here, welcome. Now is the time to click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for notifications every time I post a new video. You may also follow me on social media. I'm Beauty by Tellie everywhere. Okay, so Steven Sunny, celebrity makeup artist from Malaysia, came over during the Phil Beauty Expo, and so I had a chance to chit-chat with him and just sort of share about the makeup culture in Malaysia and Philippines. So a funny observation he made is that Filipinas love super-duper matte lipsticks and everyone's lips are so dry. So I have no defense for this. Personally, I'm guilty of letting my lip skin flaps sway in the wind. But a good way to address this is by exfoliating your lips. You can exfoliate it in a number of ways. You can use a gomajo exfoliator such as Cure. You can use a foaming lip scrub such as Bubi. I have a video review of that featuring Daily. You can check it out here. And the most simple and common example of a lip exfoliator is a lip sugar scrub. My favorite one is from Ellana. This is the watermelon mint flavor and it's edible. So that's perfect because it's super duper yummy, and when you start spreading it on your lips, you can actually taste the flavors. There's a huge temptation to just sort of have your tongue like shoot out and taste it. So fortunately it is edible. You're not gonna die if you eat it, so go ahead. So I'm gonna show you guys how I use the Ellana lip scrub. I just take like a small amount. I try to use a clean spatula every time just to avoid like sort of double dipping my salivated fingers onto the batch. It just keeps longer if you're trying to avoid contamination that way. So with this small amount, I try to press it first on my lips. When I have like a decent amount all over my lip area, I just try to start rubbing it in, and then I try to press and roll the sugar granules so they can sort of gently buff and sand away excess lip skin. A lot of people have also said that you shouldn't really scrub your lips with a towel. Personally, I have injured myself a few times scrubbing my lips with a towel after a shower. But I will also say that it is the only one that has been able to 100% remove all of the skin on my lips. When I do the Cure or the lip scrub or the foaming lip scrub, some skin remains. So to avoid injury, you should be super duper careful and observant. Try to observe your own tolerance for how much pressure you can be applying to your lips, and just try to avoid getting wounded. So my second tip, to prime your lips for the best lipstick application, consider lip oils. As compared to lip balms, balms are usually a combination of different waxes and oils. So there will be a layer sitting on top of your lips that is not gonna be absorbed. This is fine if you want to lock in moisture to your lips, but when you're gonna be applying lipstick after it, the wax is gonna combine with your new lipstick, so it's going to change the formulation somewhat. Sometimes it makes my red lipsticks lighter. Sometimes my matte lipsticks get a little bit of shine under them. With lip oils, I don't really have this problem. So this is why I like the Ellana lip scrub. It's actually based in coconut oil, and when I apply it on my lips, when I wipe everything off, it's dry on top, like it's clean on top, but inside I'm like more plump and hydrated with my lips. I don't personally like using lip liner a lot, but for some people, lip liner can be useful in really perfecting that edge and creating a super solid line. And if you're using lip liner, my number one tip would be for you to sharpen your pencil. So a lot of people, when they open their lip pencils, they're gonna see a point kind of similar to this and they think, okay, that's okay, I'm gonna draw my line with that. Actually, sharpening it makes a huge difference in your precision, and when you're looking super duper closely at your lip and really minding the fineness of your lines, you're gonna be able to appreciate more precision with a finer lip pencil point. And a tip that I want all of you guys to try is to do small corrective techniques to the shape of your lips. So this is what it looks like when I follow my lips' natural shape. So I'm just like applying lipstick normally without a thought. So you think it looks fine, but when I look closely, I can see that like one side of my lip is really drooping and there's like a kind of snaggletooth action going on around this side. I think like even though I'm not frowning, my lips tend to look quite sad. If I follow my real lips, I will be distracted by my own Cupid's bow for the duration of the day. So what I like to do is I put corrective shapes on my lip. The first thing I do is I overdraw on the droopy snaggletooth side. So this gives the lips more volume on that side, and when I go from afar, it kind of looks a little bit more even. And then I also kind of try to round out my Cupid's bow. I think like this is just a personal preference. If you want to define your Cupid's bow, I think just go ahead. And then even though my lower lips are already kind of full, I also overdraw the corners a little bit so that the volume is sort of more or less even with the upper lip. When I don't overdraw them, they feel like really tiny compared to my upper lip. So I kind of need to overdraw a little bit on the sides just to sort of help them catch up with the volume of my too thick upper lip. So these are really just like small and super duper minor corrections. I don't overdraw like more than a few millimeters, but you can already see there's a huge difference you can appreciate with the shape of my lips. This is actually the current kind of trendy shape, to sort of overdraw at the corners, because this gives you like a really plump Botox lip look. And then another tip I have for you guys is to just be really super duper patient. Go really slow. I think you can draw a straighter and finer line when you're going really slow, because when you try to go fast with the lipstick, it sort of creates that it skips and creates those waves that are kind of hard to correct once you have them on your lip. So those are my simple lipstick tips. Happy Lipstick Month to everyone. International Lipstick Day, Lipstick Month. I'm not sure what the occasion is. Hope you can use some of these tips to update your looks. Do you have any lip problems? Let me know in the comments and I'll try to give you guys some advice. Or if you have some new lipstick tips to share with me, do let me know in the comments as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye!